All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie, and if you're new here, I live off grid and I'm 39 weeks pregnant today. I just had my doctor's appointment. If you haven't yet, subscribe. We're gonna do a little day in the life vlog today. I have the day off, go back to work tomorrow. I don't know if it was a great decision to work every day up until my due date, but we'll see. This morning, I'm gonna head to the coffee shop to do some things on my laptop. I have a couple things that I still need to get done, like I need to schedule out social media for my job, get some things for the canvas tent. I need to get duvet covers and blankets, look at rugs and a chair, and just some things here and there. I don't know what the day holds. I need to finish packing my hospital bag. So I just had my doctor's appointment this morning. I'm still a centimeter dilated, 70% effaced. His head is down. She touched his head in there. So he's ready. It's so close. It's so crazy. So I need to finish packing my hospital bag, clean up the house. I should probably go grocery shopping so we have some groceries if I go into labor when we get home. And the weather has been so beautiful in Kentucky. And of course, it is supposed to rain all next week, which if you guys know, that means our driveway is going to be rough. But it'll be fine. We'll figure it out. Might have to walk the baby home up the driveway because we won't be able to drive up, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll take you guys along for my day. Here we go. All right, I just finished up at the coffee shop and I am now going to this little place we have in town, and it's like a liquidation center, like the high schoolers run it. And it's I think it's a bunch of returns from I don't know where they get their stuff, but it's the cutest stuff and it's all way cheaper than it normally is. And it's furniture and all sorts of things. So I'm gonna look for a rug, a chair, and bedding for the tent. It's raining so hard. I wish it was nice out today. The one day I have off from work and it's just pouring rain. They have so much cute stuff, but it's still pretty pricey, honestly. I made a cart on IKEA while I was in the coffee shop for duvets and duvet covers because they're really good priced. Duvet covers and things, they were still $50, even though it's a return, and so I can get it new for cheaper and exactly what I want. So I might do that. I'm gonna go drop off lunch to Dylan, but I don't want to get out of the car again, so hopefully the rain stops. It's supposed to storm all day today. All right, so I spent the last hour and a half at Walmart and it's pouring rain, and I got groceries, which was probably a bad idea because I probably won't be able to make it up the driveway. So we'll see how this goes. Off-grid living at its finest. We just got some new gravel right here on the parts that were really bad. And this is their first rain, so we'll see how it does. We still need to get gravel brought down here for this part because it's pretty bad. But we have to cut down some trees that are overhanging first so that the dump truck can get back here. I'm so happy I made it up the hill. I'm so happy. That just made my day. All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna make some tea. It's such a dreary day. My hair is so poofy. Oh man, everything's blowing away. All right, guys, we are packing the baby bag. I got too tired yesterday and gave up, but today is the day. It's Friday. I may not go back to work until after I have this baby, and it's crazy. So I'm just packing a little duffel bag I got a baby bag, but I do not really like it at all. So I actually have baby stuff in this little backpack in my other bag. So let's see what we got here. What I have packed for baby is just a long sleeve little onesie because it's winter time. I have a newborn nightgown onesie thing and a 0 to 3 months, depending how big he is. And then I have a outfit to take him home in, which is just these little pants, the top, and matching it. So that's all I have for him. And then I have a swaddle and like a burp cloth. That's it. I also have in this little bag just a binky and fingernail clippers and little nail filers. Probably won't use that, but I have it in case I need it. And so far for me, I just have like this like tank. I have a pair of socks. I have a button down pair of pajamas, so it's easy to breastfeed. And then I have a hair clip. That's all I have packed so far for me. All right, so I have one other like pair, like a little sweatsuit kind of that I'm also gonna bring. I took the childbirth class. I was the only one in it. But she said they make you stay for 48 hours, I think. So we'll see. And then nursing bras. And then I have a pack of playing cards packed. Hopefully we don't have to use that. I have an eye mask. They say it's way easier to sleep if you have an eye mask. I have the Tubby Todd all over ointment. They said it's good for everything. So I'll just bring it. All right, so then I went to Walmart yesterday and just grabbed some last minute things that I wanted to get. So I got nipple cream, didn't have any of that. I just got a little thing of lotion in case it's really dry. I got Vaseline for my lips. I'm gonna pack contacts. And I got Dylan and I travel toothbrush so that I wouldn't have to forget about that. I'm gonna pack my comb. I'm gonna pack hair clips, and I got hair ties also because we're almost out. And then I also got dry shampoo because who knows what my hair will look like. I need to like keep it washed so that it's washed when I go into labor. You know, a lot of people say like the last thing you want to do is overpack because you don't want to come home and unpack your bag, like unpack a bunch of stuff. So I'm just going to bring the basic necessities. The hospital will probably have everything that I need. I also have my birth plan here that I have right now. I have 2 copies of it. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. The nurse who was teaching the childbirth class also had the great idea of bringing anything that you like want stamped with their foot or a handprint on it. So instead of bringing a folder, I'm just going to bring like this watercolor paper. And that way we have something to stamp his little feet and hands on when he pops out. So I'll bring that. I also packed a disposable camera just to take pictures for fun, to have like some film pictures. And Dylan's noise canceling headphones. He has like Bose noise canceling headphones, and I've been using them to like meditate and listen to like hypnobirthing videos, and I love it. So I plan on wearing those during labor. Some other random things that I got at Walmart or got yesterday was I got a butt spatula to put on the butt cream. I heard that's always nice. I'm gonna bring wet wipes, of course. Wet wipes are good for everything. I'm gonna bring, this is like a travel neck pillow. That might be nice in the hospital for Dylan or I. And then yesterday I also got a mattress protector for our mattress because it doesn't have one. My water could break in bed, plus it's gonna get real gross with all the baby stuff and spit up and breast milk. And then I also grabbed these Gerber, they're cloth diapers, but I heard that they're the best for just like burp cloths. And so they come in a big pack like this for really cheap. And so it's just like this. It's kind of nice because it's thick and you can just throw it over your shoulder. Get thrown up on. So exciting. And then I got diapers and pads for me for this poor uterus. It's gonna get torn up. And then I also got just, I don't know why I got white. Dylan yelled at me, but just like a zip hoodie. I figured that would be nice for breastfeeding while it's still chilly out. Just have easy access to the boob. So that's everything that is going in my hospital bag. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. I've got shower shoes in Dylan's car. Yeah, any day now. So it's the weekend, so I'm gonna be walking and bouncing on my ball, trying to get him out. It's crazy. All right, that's all for today, folks. I'm gonna go take the dogs for a little walk. That might be the last video before baby. Maybe not. Maybe he's gonna stay in there a couple weeks, but hopefully not. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and life will be different. See ya.